The demolition is going, as I already said. So I'm just here today just to check to see how far we've gone and whether we are looking to finish the ripping out today. So yes, come on in. So basically, as you can see here, we're going to do a damp course just to protect any damp from coming through. So that's going to be done there, and all this will be hacked off as well. So the main man is doing the main job. So here you go. So all that would be hacked. That's been hacked off already. So what's going to happen then, basically, once it's been hacked off, we'll have it injected with damp course to protect the walls, to ensure we don't have any rising damp issues here. That wall is going as well. That cement and all the rest of it will be taken off, and then it goes all the way that way. As you can see, all that is being ripped out now. So we'll take it to the other room. As you can see here, they've started. This side is gone, and they're gonna do that side, and obviously they've started this side as well now. So all that will be hacked off, ready for the damp course to go in, and then all this would be hacked off as well. As you can see, we are getting there. We're getting there. So I'll take you upstairs. So it's a building place. So, and again, that wall is gone now. As you can see, that's ripped off. So we're gonna have a bathroom going on this side of the wall. All that is done. And again, you can see that also, that has been going as well, as you can see there. Right, that wall is gone, and we've ripped out all the woodworks in here, and everything is ready to go. Yes, Johnny is one of the main guys up here. He really look after us, and he's been absolutely amazing. And I don't need to be going back and forth trying to sort out stuff. He just look after us and get all things done. As you can see there, all that thing is done. So yeah, really look forward to this project. It's really exciting. It's really an exciting project. So we're ripping out everything. Well, some is demolition as well. So it's all done now. I'm super excited. If you see it, don't get nervous. It's part of this thing here, right? So sometimes you have to take stuff out for you to be able to do some other stuff, basically. So yeah, so it is what it is. So I look forward to actually getting this project going, and so that we are all good to go. Yeah, thanks very much for your time. I'll keep you updated.